So we're sitting here at the baby fry tank, and right there is one of them. He's green. This is actually one of the glofish fry. And then we have another green one floating right by. He's just chill. He just got swept by the filter. Luckily I don't have that hang on the back turned on right now, for their sake. I had to take these guys out last night so I could clean this tank up. But there's all kinds of different ones in here. Hello, little green guy. There's definitely a few pink and purple in here. But they like to sit right around the bottom for some strange reason. Don't know why, but they're free swimming. They're definitely free. Where's the pink guy? Where's the pink guy? Right now you literally have to go right up on them with a flashlight just to catch them. But they are doing well. They're thriving. They were just fed not that long ago. But they pretty much chill otherwise. There's the little pink guy. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? Where's the rest of your brothers and sisters? I know there's 6 of you. I've seen 3. Everybody's around here somewhere. Maybe they just don't want to be seen. I'll find them later. They like to sit right around in here, in the corners and edges. There's a couple. They flip around and flip around and flip around. Hopefully in a couple weeks they'll be a little bit bigger and we'll see them better. But if anybody can give me a good idea as to how to get the rest of that funk out of there, that would actually be great, especially without harming the fry. Look at that. He looks like a little green sperm. Kind of funny. Yeah, you kind of look like a little green sperm cartoon character. But you're just a little glowfish. There's another one. Hey there, little guy. Maybe I'll see everybody later. I'll find them all. I cleaned this tank out last night and the best I could and stuck them all right back in.
Hey Ernie, it's so great to see you. So let's explain to
But
everybody watching
this is the update on the babies that were born on December 30th, 2019.
before your car breaks down.
Scariest feeling unless you have car shield.
Right, because when you have car shield, you simply head to your favorite mechanic or even the dealership.
You don't have to go and try to find a shop on some list.
And I think they're going to be okay, hopefully. I've got some friends that want a couple of them.
There's no complicated paperwork, no checks in the mail. Car shield.
That's a wonderful thing.
There are even plans that
But my daughter
rental car while
gave them to me to determine what to do with them. But these were my late Christmas presents.
Best part of all, you can
By the way, that sign
make so much money with
was
car
taken by my sister right around 2016. That's sitting back there in the background. Just glaring.